Ready to transform your YouTube videos from meh to must-watch with a killer intro created entirely in Adobe After Effects. First things first, open After Effects and let's start a new project now. Click on New Composition here. You'll set up your composition settings. Choose a resolution that matches your videos. 1920 by 1080 is the standard. With a frame rate of 2997, keep the duration short and sweet. Around 5 to 10 seconds is perfect for an intro. Let's bring some personality to our intro. To start your design, click on the Shape Layer tool. Choose a shape like a rectangle or ellipse and draw it on the screen. Customize its color and size to fit your style in the Properties panel. Now, let's animate those shapes. Select the shape layer and go to the Add menu. Add a Trim Paths effect to your shape. Adjust the start and end values under Trim Paths. Then, move the time indicator along the timeline and change the start and end values to create a revealing animation effect. You can vary the animation speed by adjusting the Bezier curves. Next, let's add some text. Click the Text tool, type your channel name or video title, and format it to match your brand. Go to the Character panel and customize the font, size, and color. Time to make the text animate. Apply animation. Select your text layer and choose a preset from the Effects and Presets panel, or create your own animation. You could use a simple fade in, slide in, or scale animation to make your text pop. To make the animation run perfectly, select the text layer, right-click it, and select Keyframe Assistant, then choose Reverse Keyframes. Let's add some magic. Finally, the music. Import your background music. Drag your audio file into your composition timeline and begin to adjust the audio levels to suit your desired aesthetic. Remember, your intro should complement your content, not overshadow it. Export your new intro. When you're happy with your intro, select File, then Export, and choose your desired format, like H264 for easy uploading to YouTube. And there you have it, a killer intro that screams professional YouTuber. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.